Do you know, you never know when inspiration is going to hit. You might be out and about and all of a sudden you see something you'd really like to paint, but you don't have any gear with you. Well, I'd like to show you how you can create a watercolor palette that you can put into your bag and take anywhere with you. And it's all done with watercolor pencils. So I'm going to use the Woodless Watercolour Pencils here, but you can also use the Ultra Soft and the watercolor pencils. These are both at the signature level, and there's also the beautiful watercolor pencil set here, and these are at a premium level. Now these are pretty much all the same. The premium pencils just have more pigment in them. So let's get this created.